Alright, so after you watch the other videos, introduction, and then on how you start with your ellipse, so you can proceed with your isometric view of your the application of your ellipse. So with that, take note, right? So the other videos, you will notice here that the schedule is different, right? Okay, so look for this for your isometric view because you are different from other section. So be careful of what you're doing. As I said, your isometric view is different from other section. Only this part is the same. So for this, you just follow my instruction in the other videos because basically it is applied similar to the other section. Alright, so again, I'd like to emphasize that your isometric view is different from other section. So what I'm doing now is I will do this isometric view by application of your three ellipse here. So basically what the type of ellipse that you're going to use for this isometric view is this one. Alright, so on how you do this, you have to follow or apply here. Okay, so here you need two ellipse to complete this isometric view, and you see here that only one ellipse is complete. The other part is only half of your ellipse will be done in ink. Okay, the other half you don't need to do it in ink. Alright, so I'll do a demonstration on how you do this one, because in my other videos I already explained on how you do this. So first you have to locate your starting point, which is this one. Okay, for my demonstration I just locate it somewhere here without a specific distance, but for you I indicated in my instruction, in my written instruction, where are you going to start with your drawing. So in my instructions there, once you locate the starting point, you have to draw a 30 degrees line to the left, to the right rather, and a 30 degrees also to the left, and then you measure it 80 millimeter because you need to create a cube similar to the three ellipses that you created. So here we will make a cube that has a dimension of 80 millimeter width and length, as well as the height. So you need to measure 80 millimeter for your height, like that. Okay, and then draw also a 30 degrees line on both sides, both direction, like that, and also here to complete your cube. Okay, so you already completed your cube, and then you will apply the basic principle of creating an ellipse, which I demonstrated on the other videos. So we construct the guides on where we are going to locate the pivot for your compass. So basically you will do this, connect. By the way, before that, in order to make sure that your cube is perfect, you need to check this corner and this corner. If you draw a horizontal line which connect this and this, meaning you have a perfect cube. The same thing here. So it must be intersecting each other here and here. Alright, and then draw your guides to locate your pivot. So basically you need your ellipse here. We need to locate the intersection of this line and another line coming from here, so that we can locate the pivot. So here we need also another line here, and basically on the other side we need it there, so just continue your line. And then here also, by the way, you need to complete also the cube here, because you need that diamond shape for your other ellipse here. Okay, so here you need another line as your guide. So here we already provided our guidelines. So here we have an intersection already, meaning your pivot is here. And by the way, of course, in my previous video I specifically mentioned that the pivot is here and here. Okay, so we need another one here. So all you need to do is draw a line here, and you located already your intersection. Same here. So this diamond, you have your guideline and then another one here, so meaning your pivot is already there. So only we need to locate here the last one. So to do that, just continue this and then you locate your pivot. And in order for you to make sure that those pivots are located correctly, check your guides, position your triangle 60 degrees, try to draw a light line. Okay, so intersection must be there. Okay, and then this one also as well. So once these three lines are intersecting each other, so you locate your pivot. So now you are ready to draw your curved lines to form your ellipse. So first here, just follow the principle of, or the that you see in the other video introduction. Here you just always observe the letter V. So here also I start here and stop there, and then there you need also the same radius. So just transfer your pivot. I will start here and then end to that line. Also, if you want to complete the ellipse here, draw another curve here, but you don't need this when you finalize your drawing. Okay, you've done the bigger arcs. Now we'll form the smaller, or the other end of your ellipse. So I'll do here and then here. Alright, also here and another one here, last one. Okay, so I already formed two ellipses. To complete your drawing for the isometric view, all you need to do is connect this intersection of your arc and your straight line. So you connect that by a straight line using your 30 degrees triangle. Okay, so that's it. And another one here, another line, one straight line from here to here, like that. And you can finalize it using your technical pen. I'll try to demonstrate using the technical pen or pigment pen. So I will, using this basic compass, I'll put my technical pen there and then remove this from here, replace it with the pen adapter. Okay, and then this one must always level. Try to observe that, because it's easier for you to do the pivot if the tips are almost on the same level. Okay, I'm ready to do now. So first I'll do the bigger curves, like here, like that. So I need it there also. Okay. And on the other side I need it here. My other class I did it freehand, but they were confused. So check if you really touch its curve, the end curve. If not, try to adjust your pivot, because sometimes if you cannot do it perfectly, you cannot close your arcs. Okay, like that. So I can do now. That's the difficult part on how you close your arc. Okay, I'm ready now. So like that. Here you need it also there, like that, and then here. To observe that, sometimes your compass is moving, so make sure that when you draw, it seems that my compass has difficulties, so you have to make sure that when you draw the curve, your compass is fixed properly. So it seems that my compass is moving, wherein the pencil marks doesn't match with my ink now. But yeah, I'm about to complete. So this is the last one. Alright, so I'm done with my arcs. So all I need to do is complete this with a straight line. This, and this. I'm done. So that's it. So you can, once you've done all this, you can put your title, and then you're ready to pass it. Alright, so by the way, last to mention, the other half of the ellipse is only there. Just leave it there because it is hidden. Your tube is a solid surface or a solid object, meaning you cannot see the other part of that curve. Okay, so that's it.